Data Analyst role. Top insights you need to know in 2025. Discover the essential skills, responsibilities, and career prospects of a data analyst in 2025 by Marco Giardina.
Hey there. So you've heard about data analysts. Maybe you've seen the job titles popping up everywhere. Maybe you've heard they make good money, but what exactly does a data analyst do? And can you become one if you have no tech background, degree, or experience in this field? The short answer, yes, let's break it down. What does a data analyst actually do? A data analyst is basically a detective, but for numbers. Companies collect a ton of data, but raw numbers don't mean much. That's where analysts come in. They collect data from websites, surveys, sales reports, anything. They clean it because messy data equals sign bad insights. They analyze it using tools like Excel, SQL, or Google Sheets. Yes, the same Excel you probably already know. And they turn it into stories, charts, reports, or dashboards that help businesses make smart decisions. How to become a data analyst without a degree. Here's the best part. You don't need a computer science degree. There are self-paced training programs, online courses, and even free resources to help you get started. All you need are basic spreadsheet skills, Excel or Google Sheets, a little SQL knowledge. It's easier than you think. Some practice with data visualization, tools like Power BI or Tableau, a great portfolio to show employers what you can do. Why are data analysts in high demand? Because every business, from coffee shops to tech giants, wants to understand customers, sales, and trends. And data careers pay well. Entry-level data analysts in the US can start at $74,000 a year, and experienced analysts make over $90,000 plus. Not bad, right? Why having a coach changes the game. Can you learn everything alone? Sure. But here's the problem. You'll waste time figuring out what's important. You won't know how to build a portfolio that gets recruiters' attention. And when it's time for interviews, you'll feel lost. That's why coaching fast tracks your career advancement. A good mentor helps you focus on what matters, gives you real-world projects to work on, and ensures you enter your first interview confident and prepared. Ready to start? If you want a clear step-by-step plan to land your first job in data analytics, I've got book your free assessment at datawithmarco.com. Let's build your roadmap to a data career fast.